नमस्कार, पळोवया प्रुडंट खबरो। जेट एअरवेज दाबोळे विमानतळार मोठ्या ॲक्सिडेंटांतल्यान साल्वार टेक ऑफ करतना 360 डिग्री घुली पावली रनवे भायर 154 पॅसेंजर साल्वार 15 जखमी। पेडणेचो रिजनल प्लॅन फायनल। पेडणे तालुका तिसरो 4 इको हब्स मोपा 5 किलोमीटर एरिया नवे पीडीएन बटालियनांक खास रेडिएशनल एरिया प्लानांक 1000 भर सुचोवण्यो। पर्या विश्वजिताक सभेन फातरायलो। कार्यकर्त्यांची 20 जाणांचेर पुलीस कंप्लेंट। काँग्रेस म्हणटा बीजेपी वाल्यांची झुंड आनी गुंडशाही प्रकरण पावयतले इलेक्शन कमिशनाकडे। आणि जीसीएचो प्रेसिडेंट चेतन सेक्रेटरी बाळू आदलो ट्रेजरर मुल्लाक हात मारपाची सवय। तिकांगूय अटकपूर्व जामीन दिवचो न्ही। इकॉनॉमिक ऑफेन्स सेलान बेलाक घेतली हरकत। अबुधाबीसावन आयिल्ली जेट एअरवेज मुंबय फ्लायट दाबोळे मोठ्या ट्रेजेडींतल्यान साल्वार। टेक ऑफ करतना फ्लायट रनवे वयल्यान भायर मातयेर पावली। स्पीडीर 360 डिग्री घुली। फांतोडेर 5 सुमार गजाल। स्टाफ धरून 154 पॅसेंजर आशिल्ले। 15 पॅसेंजर इंजर्ड। कांय जाण फ्रॅक्चर। सकाळ मेरेन माती क्लियर करून रनवे फ्लायटीक क्लियर केली। तो मेरेन चार्टर्ड, ओमान आनी देशी मिळून 7 फ्लायटी मुंबय वटेन डायवर्ट केल्ल्यो।
करने के लिए टैक्सी जैसे वो बाहर निकल गया, फिर उसके बाद रनवे पर आकर के वो टेक ऑफ करने वाला था। करीब करीब स्पीड 200 किलोमीटर पर आवर के आसपास हो गया होगा उसका। तो सडनली जो है ये बम्पिंग शुरू हो गया। ये लग रहा था कि अभी उड़ने वाले हैं। तो रोड के एक लगता है कि एक जो व्हील है ना रनवे से बाहर था ऐसा, और काफ़ी बम्पिंग हुआ। फिर उसके बाद सडनली वो टर्न हो गया इसमें रनवे से बाहर हो गया वो, और करीब 200 मीटर आगे चला रहेगा। और काफ़ी पैनिक हो गया, अंदर में सब लोग पैनिक हो गया और चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया। और फिर जा कर के वो हॉल्ट हो गया। हॉल्ट होने के बाद इस तरह लगा कि आग लग गई इसमें, क्योंकि सडनली लाइट बहुत हो गया उसमें। और फिर उसके बाद हम लोग गेट से जंप करके बाहर है। उसमें कूदने में जो है ना काफ़ी लोगों को इंजरी हुई है, करीब 20 के आसपास।
There were around 154 passengers on board with 7 crew, 2 pilots and 5 air hostesses. All are safe. Some have got some injuries, not more than fractures, but all have been evacuated to the passenger terminal, and the injured have been given first aid and have been taken to the hospital.
We were traveling to Mumbai from Jet Airways, and suddenly when there was at the time of a takeoff, that time only I think there was a road something shake, and suddenly the engine got fire backside. So all the passengers got scared, and then we were sitting in the middle. Everybody felt that since it was a fire, it might blast, so they jumped from the wings. And that is how all the passengers who were with us in the middle seats, they all jumped.
As far as airside operations are concerned, it is with Navy, Indian Navy. So they will be giving the updated information ki what happened, how it happened. So that is part of investigation which they will be giving you later. So there were morning flights were delayed and some were diverted. So 2 charter flights were diverted and 1 Oman Air flight was diverted, which went back to Bombay, and that flight is coming in the afternoon. All the morning flights were delayed. So I think one of the flights from Go Air and Air India, that is cancelled, and Air India delayed flights are coming in the afternoon. And Jet Airways has cancelled 1 flight, but they are bringing a big aircraft, Boeing 777 aircraft they are bringing, so that they can combine all the 3 flights in 1 flight. Runway was made available at 9 o'clock. The incident happened around 5 o'clock. So the Navy has done a commendable job to clear the runway within such a short span of time. So that is the updated status.
सर जेट एयरवेज का जो अभी एयरक्राफ्ट ग्राउंडेड हो गया है, उसके लिए क्या टेक्नीशियन वगैरह आ गए हैं? क्या आपकी बातचीत?
वो आपको जेटवेज बता पाएगा। टेक्नीशियंस जरूर आएंगे, बट दैट विल बी अपडेटेड टू यू बाय जेटवेज व्हेन द टेक्नीशियंस आर कमिंग, व्हेन द इक्विपमेंट इज कमिंग, दैट ऑल विल बी गिवन टू यू बाय नेवी एंड जेटवेज।
पेडणेचो रिजनल प्लॅन फायनल जाल्लो। पेडणे तिसरो तालुका SLCची मीटिंग मंगळारा TCP मिनिस्टर फ्रांसिसान घेतली. पेडण्या 4 इको हब्स मार्क केल्यात. मोपा एअरपोर्टाकडल्यान 5 किलोमीटराची एरिया नवे PDN कन्वर्ट केल्या. बटालियना खातीर रेजिडेन्शियल एरिया मार्क केल्या. पेडण्या प्लानाक 1000 सुचोवण्यो आयिल्ल्यो. फक्त 6% विचार जालो. उरिल्ल्या तालुक्यांचे प्लान फायनलायझेशन चल्ला.
साधारणशी एक 1000 ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन असली तितले 6% घेतल्या. अबाउट 6%. SLC स्टेट लेवल कमिटीचे रेकमेंडेशन हा पळय ते एक्सेप्ट केला, विच अमाउंट्स टू 6% ऑफ द टोटल ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन्स. एक 1000 असली ते 60% घेतले तेंच्यानी. मोपा ऑथॉरिटी पळय आता एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी हा पळय ते भायर धरला रिजनल प्लॅनांत. एरिया मोपा एरिया हा पळय एअरपोर्ट एरिया दॅट इज आउट ऑफ द रिजनल प्लॅन. नव्यो जे एक्विजिशनां जाल्या पळय ती सगळी घातल्या. IRBचे एक्विजिशन जालां, CISFचे एक्विजिशन जालां. इट हॅज ऑल बीन शोन. इट विल कम फॉर गव्हर्मेंट अप्रुव्हल अँड देन नोटिफाईड. 3 तालुका जाले, सत्तरी, काणकोणा आणि पॅरल.
आमदार विश्वजीत राणेचेर सभेन फातर मारले म्हणून वाळपय पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन जाल्या. सोमारा सांजे 70 पर्या भूमिका देवळाकडे सभेन उलयतना विश्वजीत राणेचेर कोणे तरी फातर मारले. फातर मारपी खंय 20 जाण आशिल्ले. तांचो लीडर विष्णू नाईक म्हणून विश्वजिताच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी कंप्लेन केल्या. काँग्रेस म्हणटा BJPची गुंडगिरी चल्ल्या. प्रकरण इलेक्शन कमिशनाकडे पावयतले.
Yesterday they had a meeting. And the Gundaism, the violence, the threats in a peaceful Congress party meeting is again a manifestation of frustration of the BJP. So according to me, we will definitely write, but Election Commission suo motu should take cognizance of this incidents, like what has happened in Marmagua constituency, what has happened yesterday in Satari, what is happening. So we will definitely write this and also on other issues.
And suddenly, out of nowhere, the instigated group of the BJP suddenly turns up on the stage on the side in spite of police presence and starts stoning the podium and abusive language against the leader of opposition and myself. The issue is political. There's nothing to do with water or electricity, because everybody in Goa knows that Sattari is the only place and only taluka where there is a water treatment plant in every panchayat area. And there is a lot of gambling and drugs going on in Sattari. Recently there was an area which has been raided, and the police at the highest level took action, and they found gambling and actually a casino table in one of those places close to the temple, and they were raided and some people were put behind bars. Drugs are openly being circulated in Sattari, so this is a group that is being instigated. My allegation is that this group is being instigated by the so-called candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who feels that he has a chance, but I feel such incidents are only going to polarize the people against the Bharatiya Janata Party. People should not forget that this candidate, this boy, is just a young boy who has no experience in politics. It is very easy to make tall claims. Their meetings are not well attended. The frustration of the BJP is because their meetings are not being well attended, and they're getting people from outside and making these numbers of 2,000, 2,500 with great difficulty, even after getting people from outside, while we get a response of more than 500-600 people in every panchayat area. The BJP is frustrated.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.